Well done. Let's get started. Today we are playing SCP 3008 IKEA Part 2. What did you drop us in here, Space Ranger Roger? You did. Stop lying. I was, I was, I was uploading Part 1. There isn't any other people in the server. It's only us two. Okay. No, I was looking at your screen. I was looking at your screen. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. We both have the camera head. Yeah? You have the camera head, I have the camera head. Now we're matching because we're brothers. Yeah, I remember when. After the series, we're probably going to do Escape from the Carnival. We've been wanting to do this for a long time, but we'll start. Don't worry, we'll be able to do it together. I'll go first, then I'll do it for you, okay? Hey guys, look at this. Yeah? Oh! I just went flying! No, not actually flying, but I jumped in super high. You know what? Let me do something. This should be better. Wait, I should probably do it to like. But that should be alright, right? Should be alright. Well, I should probably do 50. 50. Yay, we're jumping higher now. Oh, ow, ow. Wait, can we see if we throw multiplier? 1000. I'll throw something. Alright. I'll throw something. Bye! Oh, that, I need. We're going to do this now. That amount. Wait, drop it! Drop it! Drop it. Hey, I didn't mean like that. But guess what? Look. Look. Bye! It went. It went away, and I did 99%. Nice. Why? You're not taking damage. I made it so we don't take damage. Look at this. Now we have our own place. Stay. We need to try to. Nah. Should we expand? I think we should expand. We'll have like a corridor. Let's make like a corridor, yeah? Like make like a corridor somewhere. But you're not even. No, just like Minecraft. Move. I'm making a corridor. Making a corridor. You're in the way of my stuff. This looks amazing. Yes. Making a just wait. Guess what? Hubert, hello, Hubert. Amazing clicking content. I don't. You do? Well, got to. No. Yeah. Oh, that says pillar. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's pillar. Should. Yeah. Yeah. What damage? Emotional damage? Some emotional damage. Or what damage? Can't drop object. You hear? Yeah? What? I just did this for no reason. Honestly. Mhm. Look, I have this emergency corridor. You're stuck? Well, do you need some help? Um, there you go. Ta-da, like magic. So yeah, I made this emergency corridor. Yeah. The reason is, if someone comes in, then we can go to the we can run to the emergency corridor. Yeah, we can run to the emergency corridor and then run. I want to take the TV. My. Wait. Wait, give me it. Drop it. Give me. What are you doing? Hey, I need it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Just say 5% power. And it went. Do you see how far it went with 5% power? Hey. Oi, 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 oi. I need that TV. We're gonna put it on the wall, okay? Look where it went. Hey. No, 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 no. Go on, let's take it. Okay, there you go. Wait. Wait, what? I thought it broke. Uh-oh, it broke. Uh-oh. Ding! You're sending it down. Why will it? Oh! Yeah, that was scripted, by the way. Nah, I don't know what happened. He faked a crash. Hey! Give me my TV back. Wait, look at this. Hello? Yeah, go on, you can. Error. Wait, I want the TV now. Wait, why is it called? Why is it called? It is Wall TV, Wall TV, Wall TV. Yeah. Okay. No, you take it. I have my own. Look at this silly one. Which one is this? This is Just wait. Me, yes, us. Wait, let's make a big TV like cinema. Yeah? Like cinema. Like the cinema one. I don't know I don't know about you guys, but in the UK I don't know about you guys, but we really enjoyed Sonic. Sonic is just amazing, I think. Yep. Don't get the spoilers. Don't get the spoilers. If they want, now they know what's going to happen. Probably. They're probably going to know what's going to happen. Wait, just wait. Now they have like. Don't worry, just drop it. I'm just moving this. I said moving. Okay. I really enjoy being able to play 3008. It's just amazing. Here's Sophie. Here's Sophie. Yeah. This is a big TV. Just wait. Let's turn it on. Press. You have to press. Press. Wait, no, I'm gonna turn it on only. Okay, this is the end of part 2. Gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.